Hello, today I'm going to present a presentation regarding enhancing service operation strategy and inventory management at Apple. Myself, Mohammad Sharia Sumayadi, and my student ID number is 2699815. So, my chosen organization is Apple, and the whole presentation aim will be the service improvement and inventory management strategies at Apple. First of all, company introduction. We all know that Apple is an American company and it is situated in Cupertino, California. Apple was established in 1976 to the present day by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne. Overall service concept of Apple, or they basically sells variety of gadgets such as iPhones, iPads, computers, accessories, etc. And they provide services in online as well as physical. So they have physical stores to buy Apple gadgets from face-to-face services. So there are some experience of Apple service processes. First of all, retail experience. Uh, Apple have stores to give people to face-to-face customer service and technical assistance. On the other hand, Apple has online support and supply chain. Objectives. Aim of the study. The first step in the analysis is to identify the current state of service operation strategy and inventory management Apple in. Research objective. Established important aspect in service strategy operation and inventory management. Proposing solution to increase the efficiency and raise the level of customer satisfaction. So here are some research question of mine. I will go through what are the key challenges to contribute to Apple optimal service operations, and how will the inventory management practices be reviewed to ensure that they meet customer demand and are also cost effective. There are some service operation strategy of Apple, and I selected some of the areas. My reasons for selection are the main role of operations in line with Apple strategies objectives, an option to do process of streamlining the process and delivery efficiency enhancing. Well, inventory management, reasons for selections. The rule of mutually quantifying inventory level in response to demand of customer while paying attention to store's cost. It has the capability of enhancing supply chain resilience and agility. So resources and data, data gathering resources. Apple's own in-house data which consists sales record, inventory level, and consumer feedback from its system. Due diligence by doing outside research and checking with the industry benchmarks on efficient service operation and efficient inventory management. Procedure. Whole interview with top executive and management team members like production managers, logistic experts, and customer service representative. Apply qualitative and quantitative data analysis to evaluate the existing procedure and look at solution for problems. Now, analysis of service operation strategies. Among the matters that have emerged in the process of our research are following ones tackling the problem of efficiency in this area. First, there exists a disparity between Apple Service Department and its overall corporate strategy. This misalignment creates incomplete procedure and missed chances to strategize the company forwards. Moreover, the poor design of the system leads to emerge of such bottlenecks and delays consequently. It has a negative influence on the previous receiver's satisfaction. We have suggestion to deal with this problem. In the first place, Apple is supposed to formulate operation strategy encompasses the company's long-term vision and objectives. The plan shall lay down goals and essential priorities of the service world. Implementation plan for service operation strategy. We have come up with solution pertaining to the service operation strategy as well as inventory management. And hence, it is worth looking at the implementation plan for improving Apple service operation strategy. The first stage of the implementation plan is building of comprehensive framework for the operation strategy to be devised. For this, I will form a cross-functional team which will consist of members from different departments of Apple. As a team, we will collaborate on plan which identifies major goals, performance metrics, and purposeful action steps. Secondly, we will be looking at developing systems that will enable the automatic manual tasks and enhance overall efficiency. This can be either by identification and deployment of softwares or tools. Following our implementation timeline, now let us sketch the stages to be followed by emboldening Apple supplier management practices. We would first to raise the accuracy of demand forecasting by using advanced forecasting model implementation. Historical statistics and market trends will be the drivers of these models to make predictions more precise, also creating an interfunctional cooperation between the teams of sales, marketing, and supply chain must be done, provided updating and refining of demand forecast every time the market condition change. In the second place, we are going to use data analytic and inventory management software to increase supply chain visibility. These tools will give us on the fly data about available inventory, transportation, and its flow through the supply chain, allowing for improved decision making and better resources allocation. The combination of information system will facilitate a transparent tracking stocks from production to the company's benefits. Now, expected benefits in monitoring mechanism. The suggested remedies for service operation strategy and inventory management, we expect that this will bring a number of benefits to Apple. Additionally, better service efficiency should be explained in detail through the streamlined process and better resource allocation. This will contribute to the uh, reduction in both the delivery time and customer issue. Cost cutting is a result of making use of suggested solution. Through improved demand forecasting and inventory management practice with the purpose to reduce inventory holding cost, Apple can enhance efficiency of its operation and enhance the profitably. In the end, the modification in service processes and inventory management are going to show as customer satisfaction. Time of delivery goods and demand response will continue uh, to creation of a positive customer experience. To ensure this good, customers are quantified. We will benchmark and measure our progress based on predetermined metrics and KPIs. Furthermore, dialogue-based feedback mechanism will be enacted so the company can identify strengths and weaknesses of its employees and customers to make improvements on consensus basis through the adoption of split strategy and development of measurement system. Finally, the conclusion and summary. Recap of key finding. To conclude, let's swiftly to into the main outcomes and suggestions that came out from our examination of Apple service operation strategy and inventory management. As we proceeded with our analysis, we found our two major obstacles: service operation strategy and inventory management. However, we have at the same time suggested the implementation of precise solutions to tackle these issues and bring about improvement. Our research shows that deploying the above-mentioned solution would definitely result in several positive outcomes for Apple. Firstly, the organization intends to observe the increased productivity and efficiency resources uses that will result in improved customer journey. Alongside that, improved inventory management correspondingly is projected to bring about cost saving and better customer satisfaction. For the purpose of maintaining the successful implementation of the solution, we suggest a gradual adjustment to that will look into consideration the areas with the greatest impact. Also, conducting regular monitoring and feedback system are needed to be able to develop the continuous improvements and remain competitive among other advanced technologies. Generally, enacting the prescribed full solution and recommendation could enable Apple to be a company which is uh, pace letter in both innovation and customer service management. Here are some reference lists which I have collected from different sources to complete this presentation. Thank you for being with me for 12 minutes. Uh, Thank you so much.